This is a bit of a technical video. I wanted to explain how you resolve an issue with Outlook. I was thinking about this with Artemis. Couldn't get either Outlooks to work. The purpose of this video, though, is to show you how you resolve issues that AI can't help with. I'll put a link here to the bit if you're actually trying to fix this problem. You can skip straight to it. What happened was we set this customer up with a new machine. They're having issues with Outlook search. On the old machine, also having issues with Outlook search. So if you Google it, it says create a new profile, reset this, check these settings, try running this SARA tool to diagnose issues with Outlook. And I said to the engineer that was looking at this, I don't think that's what the problem is. I think the problem is that they've got a corrupt message or contact or calendar entry that's causing the search not to work. So if that's your problem, it's very, very simple. You just delete the thing that's causing the corruption issue. So we had a look at it together, and you can see here there was this category in their contacts that's got a UID here, which is not a actual category. So we took everybody out of that. Interestingly, the people in that group didn't have an actual name set. They just had an email address set. And by doing that, it then fixed the problem, and the search now works both locally and cloud-based. So what does this teach us? Well, a few different things. First of all, AI is not the all-seeing, all-knowing, everything. This is not a particularly complicated problem, but AI offered no help to resolve the issue whatsoever. So that tells me I'm not out of a job quite yet, which is great. But it also shows me that often the approach that people put towards solving problems, we try A, we try B, we try C, we try D, we try E, and we just keep working down the list. And this has always been a problem with junior engineers, but I've seen more and more AI-driven processes where we do this. We work down and down and down the list, and eventually we just give up because we've just put too much time into trying to solve the problem. And we just go, well, this is not a solvable problem. But it absolutely is a solvable problem if you know where to look. And that's where expertise beats process. I think it's an interesting thing to think about anyway. So if you've got this problem and you've watched this video, let me know if this helped you in the comments below. You can buy me a coffee if you want. If you don't have this problem, but you're looking at how you can automate systems, I've got a video coming up, and when this is released, I'll put a link as well, about automating systems to make sure that you get the human in the loop and you don't just go, have you tried A, B, C, D, E over and over? Because that's what AI and poorly trained techs will deliver. And you need to step out of that process in order to solve the problem. That's it for today. Hope you have a great day, and thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.